Bhavya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can you, sir?
Yeah. So yesterday that Manju in your batch, he attended SAP related job. He got it. Today is going to join SAP fresher only. SAP fresher with some. He is having background experience, core experience. Then he join. He is going to join as a SAP fresher now today. Yeah. Still not complete, because just whatever questions had given those questions, they he read it and according to his knowledge. Okay, he faced SAP interview. He cracked it. Okay, cracked. He informed yesterday. From today onwards, he's going to join company. It's a manufacturing related company, but at least first first 6 months if we work there, then if we jump to other company, then it is good for him. Okay, good for him. Because manufacturing sectors, what will happen? You will integrate all types of models there only. Okay, means MM, SD, like FICO, all warehouse management, everything will only monitor it. If it is IT, work will be divided. Okay, work will be divided. That is a difference. 74, sorry, 78. What is your username? Any idea? First, I had given the usernames for you. Check. I don't know which user. Sudarshan, do you remember?
Sir, SAP username.
Username.
Sir, 74 MM55, sir.
74 user. Okay, okay. Mine is 78. Okay, okay, no problem. Then I'll use this one only. Okay, see now. Okay, last session. Okay, I completed. Okay, those particular GR related. Okay, GR related. Okay, concept. Goods receipt, goods issue. Okay, material document, accounting document. Okay, how to reversal the document. These all concepts I discussed. Now today class is logistics invoice verification. Logistics invoice verification. Logistic invoice verification. You can call LIV. You can call LIV. Okay. LIV is nothing but logistic invoice verification. Like let's see the first purchase order we created. We received the goods receipt. Receive the goods receipt in bracket GR. Now I am generating with the invoice. Okay, invoice. This invoice concept is totally different according to the model. Okay, now as a MM consultant, we are generating one invoice. Okay, that is name called. Okay, name called logistic invoice verification (LIV). Without purchase order, without goods receipt, we cannot create the directly invoice related. Without purchase order. Okay, without purchase order. Purchase order we require compulsory. We have to maintain those particular purchase order data. No. Okay, how to do it? Okay, how to do it? This invoice. For that, we need to do some settings, basic settings. Okay, configuration of just some number ranges compulsory we require. That's what I'm going to create the number ranges. Okay, invoice number ranges, invoice configuration, configurations, invoice configurations. Okay, invoice configurations. Okay, invoice configurations. How to configure? Go to MIRO. MIRO. Our company code is LG05. Enter LG05. See, this is only we'll call incoming invoice. This is the incoming invoice. Here we have to understand what is invoice, what is credit, what is subsequent debit, what is subsequent creditor. This all I'm going to explain here related to invoice one by one. First step is very important. If you understand the invoice, then everything will be ready. Okay, everything will be easy. Okay, that's why today concept I'll try to cover the invoice and hold and cancel. These all the options are all reversal. Okay, first see this particular procedure configuration. We have to do some settings related to VA. These particular settings we have to create here. Okay, that particular settings are nothing but a tax code is very important for invoice. If you won't maintain invoice tax codes, then we will get runtime errors. Okay, runtime errors. That's why first I am going to maintain the invoice related settings, then I can configure this particular system. First, go to SPRO. Okay, SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Okay, SAP reference IMG. Okay, SAP reference IMG. Okay, go to. Okay, material management. Go to material management. Go to invoice verification. Logistic invoice verification. Okay, go to logistic invoice. Under that, incoming invoice. The main step is number assignment. Okay, incoming invoice. I will activate the T code. OMR4, it is a T code. Okay, OMR4 T code. Enter here maintain number assignment for accounting. Maintain number assignment for accounting. Okay, execute. Click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Click on document type. Okay, click on document type. click on document type. Okay, then maintain here document type. Okay, maintain the document type. Okay, go to here. Okay, go to here. Invoice related document type RE. Okay, go to invoice document RE. RE. Double click on this is a gross invoice report. This is a gross invoice report. The gross invoice report. Double click on RE. Double click on RE. Number range is 51. The number range is 51. Okay, number range is 51. 51. Click on number range information. Okay, click on number range information.
So number range should be 51 or it can be anything, sir.
It can be anything, but here it is there. Okay, 51 is here. Understood?
Okay.
That's why we are going to use here. Okay, number range information. If something like if you want to change it, even you can change it here. Okay, you can change the number. Okay, okay, this all selected. Even you can select the customer also. 51. Even if you want to change the number range here, no issue. 01 also can save, but you have to save it. You have to save 01. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, number range information here. Company code is LG05, which I created already. The company code is then click on intervals. Click on intervals. Okay, is here 01 is there? Not there. How to create? Plus symbol. Okay, plus symbol 0. Okay, 01. I deleted that one. That's I maintained my own number engine 90,000. 90,099. Save it. The number range. Okay, this is the number range. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Back. Okay, back. Back. Then click on here number range for document types. Click on number range for document types. Click on number range for document types. Okay, number range for document types. Go to, you can see here company code data already there 01. Okay, no need. Okay, there is no need for to create this one. Okay, 01. Okay, 01. It is created. Okay, it is created. Next. Okay, next. Back. Then go to document type verification. Okay. Go to document type information. Go to MIRO, incoming invoice. Double click on MIRO. Double click on MIRO. Enter your document type is RE. Already maintained it, no need to maintain. Okay, no need to maintain. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Back. Okay, this is the first step. These are the steps under number ranges. We have to maintain first one tax code. Okay, one tax code here. Okay, to maintain the tax related information, we need first. Okay, we need first OBBG tax procedure we required. OBBG is the code tax procedure. Okay, this is the India tax procedure. Okay, India tax procedure. Right on. This is the one code. OBBG is a transaction code for the calculation of tax procedure for India. If you want to see this tax procedure, okay, in SAP FICO, okay, FICO consultant will create the tax procedure. Let me show that one also. One idea, basic idea. Okay, under sales tax procedure, we have the taxes either calculation, Okay, under calculation, say this is a tax procedure for sales. We have the procedure is there here. Check calculation procedure. Even you can activate the code. Okay, T code you can activate. OBBG you can see here. OBBG. This is OBYZ. Okay, OBYZ. There we have the some procedures, defined procedures. Okay, OBYZ. Okay, here there are so many procedures we have. Okay, so many procedures. If you double click any procedure, India procedure, this is all customized only. See ABC tax procedure. Okay, if I double click here, there's somebody they maintained some tax procedure they maintain. CBST, ACGST, IGST, SGST will maintain the tax related information. Okay, tax. But it's which tax you have to maintain, that also you will maintain. But here I'll maintain instead of this all the taxes. Okay, what I'll do? I'll maintain two concepts. I'll copy this one. I'll maintain input tax, output tax. I'll maintain. This is our LG tax. I'll create. Okay, LG. Okay, LG tax procedure. Okay, LG tax procedure. I'm creating my own procedure name. Enter. Already existed. L tax. Copy all. It will copied. Save here. Save here. Now tax procedure is done, but we have to maintain under that sales tax, sorry, input tax, output tax. Two component I am creating instead of creating all the SGST, GST. Okay, even you can create this one, but it is done by the only FICO. For that, I am going to create here instead of this one. I will use input tax. Okay, I will use output tax. Something input tax name is something MW. Only 500 entries only displayed here. Remove 500. MWVS, MW input tax, MWVS and MWAS. AS is output tax for purchases. MWAS. The key is MWS, something it is output tax. MWS. You have to maintain like that. You have to maintain MVAS something. Okay, you have to maintain output tax. You have to maintain. Okay, for output tax. These all details we have to gather from the FICO consultant. Output tax, input tax. Output. Okay, input. Where is input? Yes. Something VST input tax. Okay, this all just maintain this one. Enter. Okay, enter. MBS not found. MWS. Okay, MW. Okay. Like that you have to maintain. This fourth one I'll delete it. Okay, delete it. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Now this is the procedure LTXT. Okay, input output means purchase tax, sales tax. Okay, say this tax I will assign to L tax, I'll assign to. Okay, next we are here now. OBBG. Okay, OBBG. Okay, this is the T code. Okay, enter the T code. This is the T code OBBG. Enter here IN. OBBG is the T code. Okay, IN. IN. India tax procedure. Okay, India tax procedure. Select India. Okay. Okay, name is L tax. Okay, L tax. Save. Okay, click on save. Okay, L tax. Okay, back over now. Now we have to go to another step. Okay, another step. FTXP. This is to check the tax procedure. FTXP. Tax codes creation. FTXP. Okay, FTXP is the tax codes, maintain tax codes. Okay, FTXP, maintain tax codes. Okay, maintain tax codes. Under that tax code name is tax code. I'll create here A0 tax code. A0 tax code. 0 tax code. Tax type is output tax. This is for sales. Purchase input V. This is purchase tax. Tax code. Purchase tax. I am creating my own tax code. Enter. Okay, here you can enter the purchase tax code, both 00 you will enter. We have to link here one account here, tax code account. Select here tax. First you can select here output tax accounts. Chart of account is INT. By default it has come. Continue. Okay, continue. Tax accounts also can maintain. This is very important before going to the tax code. Now AO is ready. That A0 we have to assign to these steps. Same step we have to go. SPRO. Under incoming invoice, here you have the one option, that is a maintain default values for tax code OMR2. Okay, OMR2. We have to set the tax code. Okay, maintain default value for tax code. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. LG05. Okay, L05. Here instead of A0, whatever I created, you have to maintain A0. These two are the which I maintained. Okay, this is a default tax code for India. Even you can create any number of taxes. Okay, based on that. No, this is a default value. Click on save. Now settings are ready. Okay, settings are ready. What I'll do? I'll check re-verify with the MIRO. Is it AO is coming or not? I'm checking with the MIRO. You see that AO? Okay, AO is correct. Perfectly, it is correct. Now I'll create here purchase order. Okay, purchase order. One full flow I will explain. Step 1 I am explaining. First purchase order. Okay, first purchase order. Okay, first purchase order. Go to AB 21N document overview on selection variant purchase order LG05 company code. Select any purchase order, maintain with the less than, okay, 10,000. Why 10,000? I told you already. 10,000 means because there is no need to release. Okay, no need to release. Maintain here price and check the errors. Then click on 20 is there. I'll check the today date only. I'll maintain. Okay, 26. Save. Okay, 26. Save. Now this is ready. Okay, this is ready. One purchase order is ready. Like that, you can create n number of purchase orders. Okay, n number of purchase orders you can create. 26. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Like that, I created two purchase orders. 107, 108. Now what I'll do? I'll use here MIGO for receiving the goods. Okay, with 107. With 101 is the movement type. Goods receipt movement type. Same last session, whatever I discussed. Item okay. After goods receipt, we have to go for invoice. Item okay. Post. Only one purchase order I received. Okay, only one purchase order. You can check with the. Okay, you can check with the now MIRO. Okay, now /n MIRO. Here MIRO is nothing but incoming invoice. Okay, MIRO is nothing but incoming invoice. Okay, invoice data. Okay, 26th. AO. Enter the purchase order number 107. Okay, enter. This whatever the balance amount. See here now, this is the one entry. This is the one entry. This is the balance amount it is showing here. Then tax amount. Okay, tax amount. What is the tax? Sorry, not tax. What is the amount? 9090. That is the amount. Then balance becomes 0. Okay, balance becomes 0. See now here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now this is the baseline data. This is the baseline date, means today's data. 26/11/2024. Enter. Click on simulate. If you simulate, it will show clearly. Okay, it will show clearly K. This particular 31,000 meaning vendor number and 9110 goods received account. This is a GL vendor GL account. This is the goods received. Okay, goods received account. So here debit entry is okay Ganga. Okay, debiting. Okay, entry. Credit entry 9,900. Okay, from this one. Okay, click on post. Okay, click on post. Then it will be posted perfectly. I think. See now, there no error. Okay, meaning 100% it is posted for the invoice. Why it is 100% posted? Because here I maintain my tax code. Clearly I maintain those tax codes. Okay, those tax codes. Okay, this all it is working right now. Okay, it is working right now. Okay. Is it clear this point?
Sir, explain once again how balance becomes it.
Sure. I'll explain it. Okay, now here first we need a PO. PO I already created. Then I need a goods receipt. Once again I'll receive the goods. First go to MIGO. Okay, MIGO. MIGO means goods movement. Last class we worked. I created almost okay 2-3 purchase orders. Correct? Okay, this is a one more 108 also I created. 108. Okay, 108. Enter. Okay, and 108 I created. Okay, now enter. With 101 is a movement type. Check the errors. No error. You have to go to down. Click on item. Okay. Okay, click on item. Okay. Check the error once again. No error. Okay, check the error. Okay, click on post. Okay, click on post. Okay, click on post. Now like that I'll post one more record. 109 is there or not? We'll check. Okay, 109 is not there. Okay, only one more purchase order. Even 6 is there, 7 is there. 7. Okay, 7 is not there. 6. Okay, 6 is there. I will total 2 I am posting. 2 I am posting. Check the error and post it. Okay, 6 and this one. Now this is ready. Okay, this is ready. Now we have to go to MIRO. This is the main topic. MIRO. Okay, invoice. Okay, invoice. When I am going to create here invoice 26 today's date. Which purchase order? I created 2 purchase orders, 107 and 108 also, I think. 108 you have to enter. Now immediately it will show what is the balance amount. Okay, this one. Okay, then what is the balance amount? It is showing red color. It is showing means it is incorrect. Because credit balance and debit balance should be same. Amount is same 900. Whatever amount is here, same amount you have to enter. Same amount. Enter. Okay, enter the date also. So here now no balance here. Okay, no balance. Okay, no balance. Okay, that is a new balance. Okay, click on simulate. Okay, click on simulate. You will show clearly balance is 0, debit balance and credit balance. Okay, both it will show here. And click on here the post. Okay, click on here post. That's it. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Okay, it is posted. Okay, but here example I am giving another one example. Now you received goods today. Tomorrow you reversed. You because of some quality is not good, then you reversed. Okay, then if we reverse, then they created invoice. Then what we have to create here? Credit memo. Okay, credit memo. Okay, what I am trying to say. Purchase orders returns. Okay, purchase order return. PO return. Okay, means goods return we can call, otherwise goods return. If we return the goods, now example company it will pay to the vendor. Company it will pay to the vendor. Okay, company is created already invoice with a 9090. Okay, but why already it is returned to vendor, meaning this is already invoice is created for the company related side. Okay, company related side with the 990. Now in the credit memo, what I'll do, I'll create that vendor should pay that 990. Okay, return to the vendor that amount. Okay, quantity I returned already. This amount will pay to the credit memo means vendor will pay to the vendor should pay vendor will pay to company. Okay, company that we can call credit memo. Understood this point? Creditor. Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Okay. For this also very easy step only. Okay, very easy step only. For that also we need once again all the GR, PR, purchase PO purchase order, GRV required, MIRO required. For that I'll create once again PO purchase order required. Every time I'm explaining with one cycle. Okay, cycle. ME21N, copy one PO, select the PO, execute the PO, latest one, select adapt. Click on save. First order is completed, 109. Like that, let me create another order also. 2 orders. Tomorrow anyhow I'll create another 2 orders. Okay, to show that subsequent credit, subsequent debit. It is done. Okay, 109, 110. Okay, now I'll receive the goods here. MIGO 109. Select the item. Okay. Okay, select the item. Okay. Select the item. Okay. Okay, click on post. Okay, click on post. Now document is posted. Like that, we'll post 110 also. We will post 110 also. Item. Okay. Check the error. Click on post. Okay, click on post. Now document is posted. Okay, now document is posted. Now document is posted. Okay, this is about the. Okay, this is about the just posted. Now I have to go for invoice. First, I'll go for invoice. Okay, invoice. Okay, sorry. We'll go for the. Okay, in MIRO. Okay, MIRO. Invoice date. Scheduling agreement. 109. I'll maintain the price 9090. Then baseline date. Then I'll post it. Okay, invoice also done. Okay, invoice also done. But what I have to create here? Invoice is generated. Okay, credit memo I have to create. To create credit memo, first we have to return the goods. Let's see. MIGO 109 with the return goods. Return means 102. 102. So that's an understood this point?
Yes, sir.
First I created a PO, then GR, then MIRO. That is one cycle. Then what I am doing here, to understand the credit memo, just I am returning the goods to vendor once again. Same MIGO I maintained here. Then enter, down we have item. Okay. Down we have item. Okay. Click on. Okay, click on. Okay, click on. Okay, click on. Okay, click on check, click on post. Okay, click on post. Okay, now posted. Okay, then you can go to MIRO once again. Okay, MIRO, just refresh here. Okay, credit memo. Okay, credit memo. Okay, credit memo. Enter the invoice date. Okay, enter the invoice date. Okay, enter the same order number, same purchase order number. Enter amount 9090. This transaction totally will be different. This transaction. Enter. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, now it is here. Transaction we can see now. Invoice document display. Okay, invoice document display. Now you see the here. You see follow on documents. Transactions will be opposite. Okay, accounting document. You see the here. Before it was minus was there. Okay, Ganga. Did you observe that point? Before that is minus was there. Okay. And now it is moved to okay that opposite. Okay, opposite. Okay, opposite. Click on okay, so here this transaction is a 21. It is showing here 21. You can check that vendor 21 name. This is vendor debit. Okay, vendor debit, invoice credit, GL invoice credit. Okay, GL invoice credit. Any doubt? Okay, any doubt here?
So
About
once
this
explain
credit?
last step, sir.
Last step.
Yes.
That is actually here now. Transaction is already completed now. Example, transaction is posted. But if you want to see the transaction posted perfectly correct or not, to check, okay, go to invoice and display. Go to invoice and display. Okay, go to invoice and display. Click on that. Okay, click on. Then click on follow on document. Okay, click on follow on document. Once if you click here, it will show clearly. Okay, it will show clearly. Accounting document. Okay, accounting document. You can see here Ganga and then this one. You can see now. You can see this data. Here, which one is debit, which one is credit? To check, write down that pointer. 21 is nothing but a debit. Means vendor debited. Vendor is minus. Okay, vendor is debited. Debited, it will show the plus symbol here. Okay, debited. Okay, vendor is debited. Okay, then goods received invoice is credited. Goods received invoice is credited. The goods received invoice is credited. Okay, this is the transactions. Okay, just go through this transaction today, and we'll see next. Okay, we'll see the next. Okay, next class with this extension, subsequent credit, subsequent debit. Okay, this all we'll discuss. Any doubt? Yeah, Sudarshan, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, Bhavya.
No, sir.
Okay, just try to complete it because almost after invoice only separate concepts are there. That's it. Like subcontracting, this all and project oriented okay concepts are there pending. This what before. Okay, this weekend I'll share you not this weekend, maybe tomorrow only or today. I'll share you resume also. Okay, you prepare resume and we'll sort out the resume points. I'll share you some resumes, sample resumes. Just go through, check that particular resumes. Okay. I'll stop it now.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any doubt? Last session? Open. If you have doubt, I will solve that first. Okay, we'll go with the class. I'll stop it now.
Yes, sir.